Life fun.
Kinda.
You're boring. Happy about today?
Of course, why
You
not?
got your goodies? You got your boom boom shot?
Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, sunny, nice day. I wouldn't say extra hot, but it's just right where you feel summery. It's very summery. And Goody is feeling very summer. Sarah, look. Sarah, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hello. And she have a pot in her hand. Don't ask me what she's about to cook. Probably some of the curry goat that I just cooked before I left home. Say morning.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Mama, look.
Hold on, wait until I finish speaking. So you guys, we are heading out right now and reached our parking spot and realize that our car is in the garage actually and not in the parking spot outside. So we're waiting for babe to go in the garage and get the car and come and meet us outside instead of everybody just go back in the garage. Anyway, with all that said, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. We are going shopping. It's been 2 years since we haven't shopped. And listen, everybody in this house is literally out of clothes. We need clothes. Sarah is the only one who have enough clothes where we don't need to shop really for Sarah, but Tyler need the most, I need, and babe needs. So we're going shopping right now. I woke up this morning and cooked before we were about to head out. So curry goat done, rice done, and veggie done. Where's your phone? No. Inside. Anyway, you guys, babe forget his phone, so he's going back in the house. I'm gonna install the kids in the car. We're in the line in Primark. You guys, the line is long. We've been in the line for the past 20 minutes and the kids have the phones because that's what's gonna keep them quiet. So we're just here waiting. How are you doing, honey? Good. The line is moving and that's a good thing. Anyway, you guys, you can see people in front, behind me, how far the line is, all the way back there. That's people waiting.
Yeah, doing this, Paul. We like clothes. Let's go and start by Bershka.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We're just back from the supermarket. Well, from the shopping mall. I'm exhausted.
He's so used to supermarket haul that he's about to tell you back from the supermarket.
The sun joined me, waiting when Mrs. doing shopping. Oh, that's why man don't go shopping with a woman.
Why am I getting all the blame?
That's exhausting.
But
she's not too bad. I mean, she don't stay 2 hours in the store just to get 1 items or even 0 items.
I know what I go for if I don't see it, I keep it moving.
I have to say she's good for that. She's good for that. So I give her that. Anyway, we got a lot of things, right?
We got everything that we went for.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It was a productive day. Let's see what we got.
This is from Bershka.
Shorts.
I've been wanting one of these and I saw it and
Like
I
a short legging?
Yes, it's like a short legging, yeah.
Okay.
So I got this for 13 euros and I love it. And this is a top like Tyler said. We got nice little design at the side. And I got this one from Bershka for 8 euro.
I'm setting it up first.
You're setting it up first.
Yes, another top.
And this is another
Give me
nice
another
white
bag.
summer bling coming with a nice design at the side that I love right here. And I got this one also at Bershka for 8 euro. And if you guys wondering where Sarah, she's sleeping. Alright, what is this? You have to go fast. We got jeans for Papa.
We got jeans for me.
Papa,
Hold on. Hold on. So we got different jeans from here. I'm not gonna show you. We got like 2, 3 different jeans. I needed different pants.
And one of
So-
Babe one cost 14 euro.
We got some top for
So
Tyler.
Tyler needed long sleeve top, so we got a few.
Not for now. That's gonna be for
Winter.
winter.
Tyler tops were on
Spider-Man
sale.
shoes.
3 euro for this top.
My
We
Spider-Man
got this nice
shoes.
Spider-Man shoes for Ty.
12 euro.
12 euro.
Another top.
6 euro for this one.
And only
We
one.
got pants for school for winter
got
coming
different-
up, 6 euro.
6 euro, different pants.
So we got him a bunch of these because he's just growing up so
Give me
much.
a bag.
And because we went today, we don't like to go Primark. Yeah, I mean, we like it, but
Pants
it's just
for Papa.
too much people. So we don't want to go
This is
every month. We want to go like 2 times for the year. So we got everything that Tyler will need basically until like October. So yeah, we won't have to go back, except if this little boy do a lot of haul to his clothes. But otherwise, we won't have to go back until like October. You know, you have something in your cheek. Want to bite your cheek?
You deserve a bite.
This is my shirt.
And how much was for this one?
It was for
€2.50.
€2.50.
That's why we like to go to
Cheap.
to
Primark. Primark have the deals, especially on kids' clothes.
This
For
is
this age, we don't
€4.
want to.
For
4
another
euro for the
time.
purse. We don't want to invest much in Tyler clothes. Tyler have new pants, and he come back from school for on the first day, and he bring you a haul in the pants. It doesn't make no sense.
I told them all about it.
It doesn't make no sense to get him
My shorts,
Expensive
€7.
€7. It's
And
already
this is a
too
nice
much.
one for Ty.
Yeah.
Sorry,
One
it's
thing
a
for
nice
this one, I'm sure you're not gonna get no haul underneath.
He shall get it in his knee, then he'll learn to stop bring hole in his pants.
€8.
8 euro for Mama I West.
No, it's for Tyler.
Oh, it's 7. Really? They have the same clothes.
Babe, sometimes I find my tops in Tyler closet and in Tyler jaw. Hey babe, why is my top in Tyler jaw? Because we are Tyler, we're the same size.
Skinny.
This is for you?
It's for
Yes,
this
it's
is
for Tyler.
$6.50.
She couldn't find some clothes, so I suggest her to go at the kiddie section and try to find them at the kiddie section.
Papa,
Yes, Ty.
I say the euro and you tell what is the clothes and who is for.
Okay, look on this side.
This
you see.
is €7.
This is another shorts for
Another
Tyler. It
shorts.
look really nice.
Hmm.
More long sleeve shirt. Who this for?
$3.50.
This is a
Sarah.
pack of socks for Sarah because Sarah needed
So
some
here we
socks.
have another pant for Tyler. They're all the same 6 euro
Yes.
pants and some jeans. We also get, I think, 2, 3 jeans for Tyler.
€6.50.
€6.50.
And this is
Underwear for Sarah. So you guys know what that means.
is €7.
7
So we
euro.
got some Minnie Mouse and I think Peppa Pig the other
And
side.
Peppa Pig underwear. Peppa Pig.
So it's a big shopping we did today. Right, babe? So we don't go shopping a lot, but when we go with us,
This is
you look in the cost, turn it around.
€10.
10 euro. Nice shorts. Listen, you guys, I went on shorts shopping
Same thing. Tyler
because
is the same.
I have some shorts, but they're way up under my bottom, and I'm at the stage where I don't feel comfortable as a mom, as if I was just me and babe, then fine in terms of if me and babe walking. But when I'm walking with the kids on the road, I don't feel comfortable in those shorts. So I went on some nice shorts for you, which is not under my bottom, but still nice and stylish. Yes, so I got a few of these.
€10.
1, 2,
This one is for 5 euro.
3. I think I got some more.
Got a deal on this one.
I'm going to look what you rated.
What's this one? Oh, this one is just
€1.
a pant. It's
This
just a
one is
pant.
yours or this one is Tyler?
No, that one is mine. It was terrible.
This is
Turn it around.
mm,
The price is not there. Hold on.
no price.
No
No
price.
price.
No
So
price.
we get it for
are
free.
No price.
That's
No
not
price.
true.
Okay, this
£30.
is for 15
€15.
euros.
Some-
Another jeans.
Some
on a sale.
underwear for Tyler.
Not true, it's for Sarah.
This is 8 euro.
So you guys know that Sarah is gearing up for potty training. Want to see underwear. Oh, it's another cute little top that I got. So cute. So I got this one.
8 euro.
And I got these jeans for myself.
You got a lot of things, honey.
Let me know. And
I'm going to look at the pyjama section. What she come back from? She come back with 2 cheap pair of shoes.
This slippers was for 8 euro, and I don't like slippers that show up here of my foot because my foot kind of spread out sometimes when I'm in slippers. So
She went to the pyjama section. I was in the line and everybody was passing me because I was in the cashier and she wasn't there.
And I got
this coming with shoes.
I got this slippers and I'm going back there because they have some nice slippers that I want.
This is for free, no price.
No, that's not true.
8 euro.
8 euro.
And it's another shorts that I got.
Ella, how much you cost?
So that's all the things that we got from
1,000 euro? Okay, I'll pay you 1,000 euro and I send you at the
you
supermarket.
guys, that's all the things that we got on the supermarket haul. We went a little birthday shopping also for Sarah, but we stash away those so you guys will see those on
Yeah, that
Sarah's
was a
birthday.
surprise for the D-Day.
Yeah, so that's all the things you got. We got a Primark.
So,
We are gonna chill and then have dinner. I'll show you guys what I cook for dinner. I'll wake up early and cook before I leave out this morning because I know I will be back exhausted. So
we're tired.
let's just chill for the rest of the day until
That's-
dinner time. Can you see the
That's a
tiredness
real
on our
workout.
face? Oh yeah.
You're as tired as a workout.
Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go pack away these things right now.
Yeah. I won't help her.
Lie, Matil. You know you're lie, Matil, right? Lie, Matil.
Go relax,
Lie, Matil. Dinner time, curry goat and rice and veggies. You guys, look at these big bones that I couldn't cut in my plate. But anyway, I'm a bone queen, so I don't mind. There's Sarah's, ready to grub. Tyler's on bed. Hey, look. It's okay. It's okay. Tell them why are you sad. Why are you sad? Hmm? Tell them you're not feeling well. Come, let's go nap. Let's go night night. Tell them bye bye. Come, up, up. A, B, C, D. You guys, she's not feeling well at all.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, especially good night. Is the end of the day. This beautiful lady is here, smiling. I don't know why she's smiling. She must be happy. You're happy because you got so much goodies today?
Because you give too much trouble.
I don't give no
if
them
they
trouble.
ever know the crap where you've been talking before the camera come on.
I make life fun.
Kinda.
You're boring. Kinda.
I'll take it. I'll take whatever you throw at me. I promise you I'll take it.
So you happy about today?
Of course, why
You
not?
got your goodies? You got your pum pum shot?
No, I didn't get pum pum shot this time.
Pum pum shot. What do you mean pum pum shot? I know this is a song in French where we
I
say
didn't expect that. What you know
she
about
make,
pum pum
no,
shot?
I don't know nothing. It's just this song in French. We say he say the translation is like she make me crazy or with a pum pum shot, but he say pum pum shot in English. So that's how it was. And in the video clip, you can see she have a short.
And shot printing out our veggie.
Oh, is that short? No, it's not like this in the video clip.
So what's in the video clip?
It's just at the bottom.
They normally call veggie shorts that short under your bottom. Shorts that I used to wear in my early teens, early 20s.
Early 20s? Wow. If Sarah wear that at the early 20s.
She going wear them, you know. She going wear them. So you try be ready.
Me not ready for that.
She gonna wear them. So you better be ready. You see the thing with me and Sarah? I know exactly what to expect because she is so me. So I know exactly what to expect and I know exactly how I'm going to deal with it. So I'll share all of that with you guys.
Every time she will do something crazy, I will look at you and I say, "You used to do that too? You used to do that too?" Yes.
I know exactly how Sarah gonna be when
care
she's
about
growing
her.
up. Why?
She acts crazy.
Yeah, you're married to me, so
I should have made 2 boys.
you're married to me, so you know what to expect.
No.
Why not?
No.
You know she gonna be crazy.
That's for
Because your
sure.
wife is a mad woman.
Yeah, she mad gal. Jeez.
The only thing I'm disappointed about today is that I wanted some nice tops and I didn't get that. So I'll have to probably go somewhere in town, explore on my own in the week, and see if I find some tops. But so with the bottoms, I'm satisfied with what I found. It's exactly what I wanted.
Okay.
Yeah, but and I want to go back to Primark, because they have some nice slippers. They're pretty. Look at my look for me.
No, can you on there's an imaginary one. Me not see you. Me I don't see you
Anyway,
in the
you
camera.
guys, we're coming on the end to today's vlog.
Yes.
But you know, babe, just have to behave bad before me end the vlog. Look how them cow the skinny, them can't feed the cow.
Me I tell you, you're boring.
In terms of me boring.
Yeah, we're gonna do a mail way. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. We're here to end the vlog, so give it a thumbs up. Catch up, keep up, and notification bell. Bye bye. That's you. You don't want to put a little fun.
That's why you're here.
Yes, tell me.
And you do it
I'm the
perfectly.
fun one.
You're a
You're
clown.
the boring one. I'm not
I'll
the
give
clown.
you that. I'll take whatever you throw at me. Anyway, you guys,
That's for
we're gonna end the
potatoes.
vlog.
And tomatoes.
Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up with the fam. That's what baby say I'm gonna do. So I'm going to do it, and I'm gonna do it the best way I know how. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.